Hi, this is Dawn from Pixology Digital Solutions. I was going to show you today how I rename files on a Windows system. The first one I'm going to show you is if you have a photo that's just on your desktop and it's not even opened, you just right click on it and you scroll down to the bottom where it says rename and you click that, and as you can see the current name is highlighted on there, and then you can rename it whatever you want. I'm going to call this one Photo Restoration. And then I click enter, and that photo has been renamed. As you can see, I put an underscore between the two words. It just makes the file a little bit more secure if you're putting it into different programs. The second one I'm going to show you is how to change the name in a file that's opened. If the file is open here in Photos, in the Photos program, you're going to go over here to the right at where the three dots are on the right hand side and click that and scroll down here to where it says File Information, and then that opens a window on the left hand side. And you want to highlight that, and then again you can rename this photo whatever you would like it to be named. I will name this one Old Cameras, seems appropriate, underscore, click enter, and now that photo's been renamed. You can see it over here on the desktop, right here. So now I can close it, and that photo has been renamed, and this photo has been renamed. The third one I wanted to show you is if you have photo files on a flash drive, how you can rename those. It's very similar. Here, this is on a USB drive, flash drive in my computer, and I can, again, right click on it, scroll down to where it says rename, and do the same thing. I'm going to show you how when this one is opened, it opens up into Windows Photos also, and you can rename it the same way as you did with the other photos. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the photo naming process. You need a process, whatever your naming practice is, but it just needs to be consistent so that all of your photos can be found because that makes sense to you. The way that I like to do it is chronological. I will put the year, so this would be a photo from 1965, and the month of the year was 12, and the date was 25. So it was December 25th, 1965. So if I name all of my photos with the naming practice like that, they'll all line up chronologically in my computer and I can find them. I would then put an underscore and write a word or two about what this photo is of, so I can find it. I know what I'm looking for. And this one I will name Christmas underscore cousins. And that will, you click enter, and that will save that file name as that. I close this. You can see now on the flash drive in my computer, it now says 1965, December 25th, Christmas cousins. That is how you can rename your files, and so they can be consistent and you can find them easily. I hope this was helpful in your organizing of your own photo files so you can find yours and bring them back into your life in any way that you want to use them. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.